Hi everyone, and welcome to this video tutorial where we are going to perform a walkthrough over two applications or two calculators, or in better words, the two fit assistants we've developed under the clairetool.com umbrella. So first of all, we need to log in with our credentials, and once we are logged in, we select irregular cornea, and we will start a new treatment. So we select the patient, select the eye, and we start the fitting. Okay, so we'll start the new treatment, the new fitting. So first of all, we need to identify some ocular parameters. Okay, we select the lens we are going to fit. So we need to decide whether we are going to fit SynergEeyes VS or Europa Scleral. Okay, these are the new tools we've developed. First of all, I will do a walkthrough over the SynergEeyes VS algorithm, and then I will record another video for the Europa Scleral lens. Okay, so we select some lens parameters. So the sag, the scleral landing, which device we used for the tests, for the trial, and the wearing time. Okay, so we just need to fill some data, some clinical data that will guide the eye care professional in the final decision, whether if the lens is well fitted or if it needs to be recalculated. Okay, so subjective over refraction over the lens, some sphere, cylinder, the axis. If you want to fit a multifocal lens or not, we can say yes. We just need to specify the add power, the addition power, and if whether is a dominant eye or not. Then some data concerning the OCT analysis. Okay, if there is fogged vault or not, vault over limbus, and which type of edge lift we are observing with the lens on. So we can select that it's a good scleral fitting, no conjunctival prolapse, for instance. So we just need to follow these wizard steps that will ask for some specific information concerning the fitting we are observing, and then our Clair algorithm will help and recalculate the lens, so eye care professional can decide what to do to improve the fitting. Okay, so if there is fluorescein leakage or not, the stabilization marks, the lens stabilization marks, we rotate the lens and we check if the lens is stable or unstable, if there is corneal staining or not. So we can select the situation we are observing, and then we calculate the lens. Okay, so reaching these steps, after following all the steps that the wizard fit assistant guide recommended to the eye care professional, so it will provide with a fitting outcome and the new lens recalculation. You just need to wait some seconds. It's a very complex algorithm behind, a lot of information that must be complemented, analyzed, and recalculated to see which recommended adjustments are needed for the lens. It's finishing. As you can see, those fields are getting a value. Okay, so finally we have a SynergEeyes scleral lens, multifocal one, calculated, and we just need to finally select the material, and yes, we agree with the lens. So we press next, and we have the final lens. So we can download the PDF file. So as you can see, we generate the final order, okay, as you can see with calculated lens, or we can send it by email to the manufacturer, okay? So when we press continue, we jump to the follow-up section. What does this mean? So once we order the lens, we will wait, the eye care professional will wait to receive the lens, and once the eye care professional receives the lens and the patient is in the practice, so eye care professional just needs to go to the treatment and start the follow-up. So here, as you can see, are the expected lens parameters. So the eye care professional will check if the received lens corresponds to the one calculated by the system, and just need to start a follow-up that basically corresponds to the exact same steps than previously. The only difference is that instead calculating a new lens over a trial lens, we will recalculate over a final lens. Okay, the theoretically final lens. If everything is okay, the system will recommend to keep the same lens. If not, Claire tool will recommend to change to a new lens. Okay, so this is all. I will explain you in the next video how it goes with Europa scleral lens. So basically, it's the same thing but with different calculations. Thank you very much. Bye bye.